The GoPro Hero 13 Black is here, and while it might not have the massive 8K upgrade some were hoping for, it's still packing some serious punches. From a stunning 5.3K video quality to an all-new range of lens mods, magnetic mounting, and improved battery life, GoPro's latest flagship model takes their iconic action cam line to new creative heights. In today's video, we are diving into all the exciting features, improvements, and a few drawbacks of the Hero 13 Black to see if it's worth the upgrade. The first thing you'll notice about the GoPro Hero 13 Black is how familiar it feels. The external design remains nearly identical to its predecessor, the Hero 12 Black, but there are a few key changes that set it apart. The camera still fits snugly in your hand, but it now includes a redesigned, larger 1900 mAh battery, a 10% increase from the Hero 12. This means longer shooting times, which is a huge bonus when you're in the middle of capturing the action. And let's talk about that new magnetic mounting system. GoPro has finally followed in the footsteps of competitors like DJI and Insta360 and added a quick, reliable magnetic mount. If you switch between mounts frequently, this will make your life so much easier. It keeps the traditional fingers and 1/4 inch mount, but the new magnetic system adds versatility, making it an excellent feature for filmmakers constantly on the move. When it comes to video quality, the Hero 13 Black remains at 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. While there's no jump to 8K video like some hoped for, this camera still delivers exceptional visuals thanks to features like Hybrid Log Gamma HDR. This new mode captures high dynamic range footage, which makes sure that your highlights and shadows are well balanced, preserving detail across the frame. Plus, for those slow-motion enthusiasts, the Hero 13 Black supports 400 FPS at 720p for incredible slow-mo effects. While its video resolution hasn't changed, the Hero 13 Black's new lens system is a game-changer. GoPro's HB lens mods, which include an ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic lens, open up creative possibilities that we haven't seen in a GoPro before. The ultra-wide lens mod gives you an insane 177-degree field of view, perfect for capturing vast landscapes or extreme sports. The macro lens mod, on the other hand, lets you focus as close as 4.3 inches, a fantastic option for vloggers or creators who need those intricate detail shots. And don't forget the ND filter pack, ideal for adjusting light exposure, and a creator edition that includes the media mod, light mod, and Volta battery grip for extended shooting sessions. This edition turns your Hero 13 Black into a full-on filmmaking kit for those who want a complete, plug-and-play vlogging setup. But keep in mind that you need to buy all the lenses and filters separately. One of the standout features of the Hero 13 Black is its auto-detection system for lens mods. This means you don't have to manually adjust your settings when you switch between lenses. The camera does it for you. Attach the macro lens mod, and the camera automatically adjusts to give you the optimal shot. This is a feature often found in high-end mirrorless cameras, and it's impressive to see GoPro implementing it in an action camera. The magnetic latch system and lens mods, together, make the Hero 13 Black feel more like a professional tool rather than just an action camera. Imagine being able to switch between lenses on the go without missing a beat. Whether you're shooting extreme sports, capturing wildlife up close, or creating cinematic footage with the anamorphic mod. Battery life has always been a big deal for GoPro users, and the Hero 13 Black does not disappoint. The upgraded 1900 mAh battery allows you to shoot for up to 1.5 hours at 5.3K resolution and about 2.5 hours at 1080p. This is a solid improvement, especially when combined with better heat dissipation. You can now record for longer without worrying about overheating issues, something that plagued earlier models. Oh, and let's not forget, GPS is back. After its absence in the Hero 12, you can once again overlay your footage with speed, altitude, and other performance stats via the Quick app. This is great for adventure sports enthusiasts looking to track their runs, jumps, or rides. If you're a pro or an aspiring filmmaker, the Hero 13 Black has more in store for you. The new HLG HDR mode provides richer colors, allowing for more dynamic footage straight out of the camera. This makes it easier to color grade your footage in post-production. The camera also includes fine-tuned audio controls, so you can adjust audio levels to better capture sound in challenging environments. With Wi-Fi 6, transferring content is up to 40% faster, which is a huge time saver when you're on a tight schedule. For slow-motion lovers, the Hero 13 Black includes a burst slow-mo mode, which lets you capture 5.3K video at up to 120 FPS. The new burst slow-mo menu also includes 400 FPS at 720p and 360 FPS at 900p, but be aware that capture times are limited. Still, these modes offer flexibility for creating dramatic, slow-motion sequences. While the GoPro Hero 13 Black doesn't deliver a mind-blowing leap in specs like 8K video, it is a well-rounded, feature-packed upgrade over the Hero 12. The combination of new lens mods, better battery life, magnetic mounting, and improved HDR video makes it an enticing option for filmmakers and adventurers alike. The added creativity brought by the interchangeable lenses and smarter mounting options shows that GoPro is still leading the charge in the action camera market. At $399 for the base model and $599 for the Creator Edition, the Hero 13 Black offers a robust toolset for both casual and professional creators. If you're looking for a camera that offers more than just point and shoot, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.